Get ready for a big rip up. You're watching one of the best setups in my playbook. Let's break down this trade. This is what I call a reclaim assisted breakout. Right here in this yellow box, you have a model slip range. Notice how it almost has a perfectly rectangular look to it. That is what gives it the model appearance. Notice the middle sections are violently ripping up and down. That is what's giving it the slip effect. Over here in point 4, you can see a hard down move. Follow my mouse. That is a reclaim. Reclaims typically like to be retraced at some point. Since this is a model range, if we measure the body width of this range, we can calculate a measured move. Notice this green, yellow dotted line and red solid line. The width of this, from the green to the red, is the width of this range down here. This modified Fibonacci tool is used to calculate the measured move. As we can see, it was achieved. The yellow line would be the mid pivot. Model ranges like this typically like to break out and put in a measured move. Since you have a reclaim off to the left, reclaims typically like to retrace. Sometimes they retrace very quickly. In fact, this entire range is built off smaller reclaims that are retraced. Reclaims that are consistently being retraced in an aggressive fashion is called slipping. This reclaim creates a pull effect, pulling the price action up into it. In combination, you have a model range. Model ranges typically like to move a measured move out. Therefore, they have a strong push effect. Therefore, you have the ranges push effect in conjunction with the reclaims pull effect, creating a very powerful move. This is the 30-second chart. We'll pan over to the 1-second chart. Right here where this green line is, you can see this is where the start of the measured move was. Panning back, we would be looking in this area. Going back again, notice this rising wedge pattern. This is what I call compression. This compression zone has a very model look, meaning it has that perfect wedge shape, thus boosting the probability of a breakout. You can see my entry was performed right in this section, and then the exit was up here at 23.75. This trade has multiple factors of support. This is why it was so good. Check out tradecraft.club, the ultimate trading statistic and journal platform.